Replacing the rear wheel. Using the wrenches provided, remove the bearing cap from the rear wheel assembly. Repeat these steps on the opposite side of the wheel, then using a flathead screwdriver, carefully unclip the C-ring at the end of the axle and remove the bearing. Repeat these steps on the opposite side of the wheel before slowly lifting it from the frame. To replace the wheel, first install drive gear bearing and drive gear onto axle. Slide the bearings back onto both sides of the axle and use pliers to replace the C-rings. Reattach the bearing caps to both sides and tighten evenly using the provided wrenches.